Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 7th, which was held on 26th of October 2025, part 1st, that is physics. Let's start the discussion with question number 1st. So in question number 1st, different situation of heat supply is given, okay. In which situation is convection least likely to occur? What is convection? Convection is the method of heat transfer in fluid, liquid and gases. So option A is heating air in a room, no. Boiling a water, no. Ironing clothes, yes. So our correct answer is C. Move to the next question, question number 2. So in question number 2, the diagram show a vacuum flask used to keep hot water. Now the question says, how does thermal energy passes through the vacuum? So our correct answer of question number 2 is option C, radiation. Why radiation? Because radiation does not need medium, okay. So our correct answer is C. Move to the next, question number 3. So question number 3 is based on match the column. So column first and column second. In column first, P is distance, time, straight line, sloped, okay. This is the situation in P. Q, distance, time, curved line, okay, like this. Speed, time, horizontal line. Speed, time, horizontal line. R. S. Speed, time, sloped line, like this. So now we have to match distance, time, straight line show uniform motion. So P is matched with 2. Distance, time, curved line is show accelerated motion. Q is matched with first. Speed, time, horizontal line show constant speed, third. And speed, time, slope line show changing speed. So this is the match the column with column second. So our correct answer will be 2, first, 3 and 4th. So correct answer will be option D. Move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of the following symbols represent a cell? So our correct answer will be A, not a B, because it is a battery. More than one cell is called battery. Next, question number 5. So question number 5 says, which of the following distance time graph is not possible? We know that distance cannot be in negative, so it is a constant. It can be possible. B cannot be possible because graph is slow down, downward, okay, and distance cannot be in negative. So our correct answer will be option B of question number 5. Move to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is based on assertion reason. Assertion says, an electric current carrying wire produces a magnetic field around it. Yes, true. Reason, because magnet fields are created only permanent magnets. False. So our correct answer will be A is true and R is false. So option C will be the correct answer of question number 6. Move to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 and 8 both are based on paragraph. The air in a room is heated by a heater. The diagram show circulation of air in the room. Question number 7, which statement about the air that is heated is correct? So our correct answer will be C. The air is first expand and becomes less denser. Next question, question number 8. In question number 8, in a closed room, warm air, a heater rises and replaced by cooler air. Which mode of heat transfer cause this situation? So our correct answer will be A. Move to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is based on assertion and reason. Assertion says displacement of an object may be 0. Yes, that is true if the distance covered by is not 0. Reason, because displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. True. And R is correct explanation of A. So our correct answer will be option A. Both assertion and reason are true and R is a correct explanation of assertion A. Move to the last question, that is question number 10, which is based on sequence. Arrange the steps in correct sequence to construct a working electromagnet using household items. So P, wind insulated copper wire around an iron nail. Q, connect both the ends of a wire to a battery. R, switch on the circuit to allow current flow. S, nail start attracting iron pins, which least show the steps in the correct order. Okay, first we have to insulate the copper wire around the nail. Second, we connect both the ends of a wire to a battery. Third, switch on the current to allow the current flow. Okay, and the last one is nail start attracting iron pins. So this is the correct sequence. So our correct answer will be P, Q, R, S. So option A will be the correct answer. These are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answers. Thanks.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 7th. Let's discuss with the questions. Which of the following changes involves both physical and chemical changes occurring simultaneously? Let's discuss the options. Option A, melting of a wax. This is physical change, not a chemical change. Burning of a candle. Yes, this is the correct, because when a candle is burned, then there is physical and chemical changes take place simultaneously. So this is the correct answer. Dissolving salt in water. This is again only a physical change. Sublimation of iodine. This is again only a physical change. So the correct answer is option B. Now the next question is, which of the following combinations will not produce salt? Let's discuss the options. And option A is HCl plus NaOH. And after reaction, they will give a salt, sodium chloride and water. Now, option B, CH3COOH and water. No, there is no any salt is produced. C, H2SO4 plus KOH. After reaction, they will give K2SO4, that is a salt, and H2O. D, HCl NH4OH. Again, after reaction, they give NH4Cl, that is a salt, and H2O. So the correct option is option B, as after mixing acetic acid and water, there is no salt is produced. Now the next question is, match the column, and column 1 has PQRS. P is sublimation of dry ice. Q, tarnishing of silver. R, respiration in humans. S, explosion of fireworks. Column 2 has 1, exothermic chemical change. Second, involves no new substance formation. Third, slow chemical change. 4, chemical change with light, sound and gases. Let's match the columns. And column P, sublimation of dry ice. It is a physical change, so there is no new substance is formed. So P resembles with Second, tarnishing of silver, this is the corrosion, and corrosion is a slow chemical change, so Q matches with 3. Respiration in humans, this is an exothermic chemical change, so R matches with first. Explosion of fireworks, it is a chemical change with light, sound and some polluted gases, so S resemble with 4. Let's take the options. Option A, 2, 3, 4, 1, this is wrong. Option B, 4, 3, 2, 1, this is again wrong. Option C, D, 3, 1, 4, 2, this is again wrong. And option D, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, this is the correct answer, and option D is correct for this question. Now, the next question is, which of the statements is correct? We have to choose correct option, correct statement from these options, and this is about this table in which substance A, B, C are given with their pH values. And as we know that A has less than 7, so it is acid or in acidic form. B greater than 7, that means it is a base or basic. C has equal to 7 means it is neutral. Now let's choose the correct statement from option. Option A, A does not change color of turmeric solution. As we know that A is acidic and acidic solution does not change the color of turmeric solution, so this statement is correct. B gives red color with litmus. No, B is a base and base give blue color with litmus, so this is wrong. C gives red color with litmus. No, this is again wrong, as C is neutral and neutral substances does not change the color of litmus. C give pink color with universal indicator. This is again wrong, as C is neutral and neutral substance gives green color with universal indicator. So the correct statement is option A, and option A is the answer. The next question is, which of the following is not correctly matched for observations after a chemical change? Here a flow chart is given and we have to choose not correctly matched. A, cutting off a paper, and we know that cutting off a paper is a physical change, not a chemical change, and here the flow chart is about the chemical change and the observations: heat and light, sound, gas formation, change in color and change in smell. So K is the not correctly matched and we have to choose not correctly matched, so option A will be the correct answer. Let's check the other option B, C and D, and B is M, mixing citric acid with baking soda. As we know that M is gas formation, and when an acid is mixed with baking soda, then CO2 gas is produced, and this is correctly matched with the flow chart. N, mixing iron nails to copper sulfate solution, and N is the change in color, and this statement, this reaction perfectly gives the change in color when iron is kept in copper sulfate, then FeSO4 and Cu means copper metal is formed. And here the blue color of copper sulfate will change in green color of ferrous sulfate. So this is correctly matched but not the correct answer. D. O. Rancidity, oxidation of fats and oils. Here O is change in smell, and as we know that rancidity is the oxidation of fats and oils, and after the oxidation of fats and oils the substances give bad smell and bad taste. So this is also correctly matched but not the correct answer. So the correct answer is option A, which is not matched with K, as K is heat and light, but cutting off a paper is a physical change. Now the next question is assertion reason. Assertion: water is a neutral substance. Yes, as water has pH equal to 7, so it is a neutral substance and the statement is true. Reason: it gives green color with litmus. No, this is false statement, as we know that neutral substances do not give any color with the litmus paper. A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is again wrong. C. Assertion is true and reason is false. This is correct. Option D. Assertion is false and reason is true. No, this is wrong. So the correct answer is option C. Now the next question is paragraph based. Vinegar is often used in cooking and cleaning. It has a sour taste and a pungent smell. Vinegar can dissolve mineral deposits, clean glass, and remove odors. In the kitchen, it is used to add flavor to food and as a natural preservative. Let's take the question. Vinegar effective for cleaning and removing mineral deposits because, as we know that vinegar is acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. Let's take the options. A. It is a strong base that dissolves oils. No, this is wrong because acetic acid is a strong, means not a strong base but is a weak acid. B. It is an acid that reacts with basic mineral deposits. Yes, this is the true because acid when react with basic minerals, these show neutralization, and after neutralization salt and water are produced. So vinegar effective for cleaning and removing mineral deposit because it is an acid that reacts with basic mineral deposits. It is the correct answer. Option C. It is a neutral and can wash away dirt. No, acetic acid is not neutral. So this is wrong. D. It is salt that neutralizes dirt. No, this is not salt. So the D option is again wrong. Answer is option B. Now the next question is vinegar helps preserve food because A. It kills bacteria due to alkaline nature. No, this is wrong because acetic acid is means vinegar is not alkaline, it is acid because the meaning of alkaline means basic. B. It raises the pH of food and preservative spoilage. No, it can't raises. So this is again the incorrect option. Option C. It creates an acidic environment that prevents bacterial growth. Yes, this is absolutely correct, and the correct option D, it evaporates quickly and dries out the food. No, this is again wrong and illogical according to question. So the correct answer is option C. Let's take the next question. This is assertion reason. Chemical changes often involves the absorption or release of energy in the form of heat, light and electricity. Yes, this is the true statement. As we know that chemical changes are often involves absorption and release heat to make or break the bonds. So this is true. Reason, during a chemical change, old chemical bonds are broken and new chemical bonds are formed, which involves energy changes. Yes, this is again true and correctly explains the assertion. So the options are option A, both assertion A and reason R are the true, and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion A. Yes, this is the perfectly true, perfectly correct option for the question. Now, the next question is, this is sequence based. What is the correct sequence of color changes of phenolphthalein in the following different media? There are 4 beakers having distilled water, lemon juice, soap solution and vinegar, and we are adding phenolphthalein indicator. Let's check what is the color changes. In distilled water, phenolphthalein remains colorless, and in lemon juice, that is acidic, again it remains colorless. In soap solution, this is basic, and in a basic medium, phenolphthalein gives pink color. In vinegar, this is acid, and in an acid, phenolphthalein remains colorless. So, let's check the option. Option A, colorless pink, colorless pink. No, this is wrong. Colorless, colorless pink, colorless. Yes, this is correct. Colorless, colorless pink, colorless. So the correct option is option B. C, pink, pink, colorless, colorless. This is wrong. D, pink, colorless, pink, colorless. This is again wrong. So option B is the answer. Now this is the part 2nd chemistry for class 7th. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहां लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहां पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहां क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहां पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहां पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहां पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहां पर टाइप कर सकते हैं, और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. Which of the following statement is correct for the given plant? Given plant is a insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant. In this, when insect come inside the cavity of this leaf modified structure, then this cover move downward and cover completely. In this condition, insect digest inside this part. So, according to this correct statement, the plant is non-green and does not carry out photosynthesis. The peach-like structure is the modified part of stem. It captures insect and digests them by the digestive juice secreted in the pitcher. That is C. C is right option for this. This pitcher-like structure contains so many enzymes that digest the insect inside the pitcher. So option C is correct. Next question. Refer to the given Venn diagram. Select the correct statement regarding X and Y. Respire through skin. Frog. Frog respire their skin and lungs two essential part or organ in frog help in respiration. Why? Why respiration through lungs? Why respiration through lungs? X respiration through skin and Y and lungs. X also use lungs for respiration. So, according this Venn diagram, X could be crocodile, Y could be whale, that is wrong. X could be dolphin, whereas Y could be rohu, wrong. X could be frog, whereas Y could be a crow, that is right, because crow use lungs for respiration and frog use skin and lung for respiratory process. Option C is correct. In frog, tadpole stays. Tadpole use gills for respiration. So, in life of frog, gills, skin and lungs use for respiration. Next, match column first and second. Select the correct answer using the code given below. First, P. Abomasum, reticulum, rumen and omosum. Ruminant digestive system contain these parts like reticulum, omosum, abomasum, rumen, large intestine, anus and small intestine. These are the part of a ruminant digestion. Ruminant, rumen present in cow. According to column first and second, abomasum match with acid secretion, reticulum relate to mechanical grinding. Next, rumen relate with nutrient absorption and omosum related with water absorption. According to match 3, 1, 2 and 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. Option C is right answer for this question. Next is the graph below represent the blood lactic concentration of an athlete during a race 400 meter and show a peak at point D. Point D. Race for 400 meter. During the running exercise, heavy exercise, lactic acid forms in our muscle because oxygen level down during the exercise. During this activity or this time, lactic acid are formed in our muscle. In this case, we feel like lazy. In this case, we feel some cramps in our muscles. So, according to graph, respiration in athlete, the blood of an athlete was tested before, during and after 400-meter race. Lactic acid production has occurred in the athlete while running in the 400-meter race. Which of the following process explain this event? Option A, aerobic. Option B, anaerobic. C, fermentation, and breathing. According to this process, oxygen level down its mean anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Our right answer for this activity or this question, option B. Option B is right. Next, which statement about conduction and direction about xylem and phloem is correct? Xylem is bidirectional, but in our concept, xylem is unidirectional. Phloem unidirectional, but phloem is bidirectional. So, A is wrong. Xylem transport water upward. Phloem transport food both downward and upward. Downward and upward. This show only unidirectional upward movement of water and minerals. So, B. Option B is right answer for this question. Next, assertion A. Parasitic plant obtain nutrition from their host. Parasite like this, Coscata. Coscata plant. Coscata is a parasite and present on another plant body. Another plant is host for Coscata. Host for Coscata. They have specialized structure called hostoria to penetrate host tissue. To penetrate host tissue and observe and suck the nutrient from host body. Both assertion and reason right, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Option A is right for this question. Next, when we breathe in air, certain changes takes place in our rib cage, diaphragm and lung pressure, and the rib cage may move in a specific direction. During this process, inhalation and exhalation, our rib cage upward and our diaphragm contract. During this, diaphragm change its shape due to contraction or relaxation, and the lung pressure varies accordingly, allowing air to enter the lungs. Observe the diagram. During the inhalation, only inhalation, in lungs, diaphragm and rib cage, movement of rib cage. What will be the condition of rib cage and diaphragm? Rib cage and diaphragm when we breathe in air, mean to say inhalation process. A. Rib cage down and in, rib cage up. So that is wrong. Rib cage up and out, right? Diaphragm relax, no. Diaphragm contract. Lung pressure high, no. Lung pressure is low. Rib cage up and out. Diaphragm contract. Lung pressure low. Option C is right answer for this question. Next, read the given paragraph and select the option that correctly fill the given blanks. The number of time air in inhaled and exhale in a minute is termed as, in a minute, inhalation and exhalation term as breathing rate, rate of breathing, breathing rate. And next, it dash with increase, it increase, it increase, breathing rate increase with increase physical activity like this, exercise, running, exercise, heavy exercise. During this case, increase breathing rate. The average rate of breathing in a healthy adult at rest is 15 to 20. 15 to 20 breath in per minute. High in female, like 2 point, like 15 to 18 in male, 15 to 20 in female, approx point 1 or 2 point up and down, but average is 15 to 20. Average is 15 to 20. According to this, our right answer in option is option B. B is correct for this question. Next, assertion and reason for trypsin and trypsinogen. First, trypsinogen convert into trypsin. Presence of enteropeptidase, enteropeptidase for digestion of protein, digestion of protein. Assertion, trypsin is secreted in an inactive form called trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is a inactive form. Next, trypsinogen get activated in the acidic environment of the stomach, but it is activated in the presence of enteropeptidase and convert into trypsin. So reason is wrong. Reason is wrong. Option A, option A, B, C, D, according to assertion is right. Assertion A is true, reason is wrong. Option C is right answer for this question. Next, sequence. Put the following step in correct order for the transpiration pull. For the transpiration. Transpiration, a process in which water loss in the form of vapor. In the form of vapor. Transpiration create transpiration pull. During the transpiration pull, water transport in transport system. P. Water rise in xylem, create suction or pull water from below, and water evaporate from stomata. Write the correct order. First of all, water evaporate from stomata first. Next, create suction or pull, that is second. And next, pull water from below, 3. And last, water rise in xylem, 4. According to this, S, Q, and R, and P. S, Q, R, P in option C. Option C is right answer for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MF paper solution for class 7 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is volume of a rectangular box whose length is 2 AB, breadth is 3 AC and height is 2 AC. So we know volume, that is LBH. So here we have given length, that is 2 AB, multiply by breadth, here we have given that is 3AC, multiply height we have given that is 2AC. So when I multiply here, so I can write here 3 2 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12. A multiply A square, and here we have A cube B C square. So the correct answer is 12A cube B C square. So 12A cube B C, 12A cube B C square. It means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is based on sequence, and the question is arrange the following steps in the correct sequence to simplify the expression 3/4 multiply 8/9 bracket close plus 5/6, and here we have given some steps. So what we do first we have to solve the bracket. So here we take first simplify, first perform the multiplication first. It means first here we take q. After multiplying, we simplify the rational number, we simplify this one, so we take p. After simplifying it, we take we find the common denominator, then we take r and rest, then we simplify the final result. It means after that we take s. So the correct sequence is q p r s. So check q p r s. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, in the given figure, if PM is parallel to NO, so here we have PM which is parallel to NO, and angle MNO is 55 degree. This is the 55 degree, okay, and LQ, this is the LQ, is perpendicular to MN. It means here we make 90 degree angle. Then find the value of angle PLQ. PLQ, here we have to find the value of this angle. So this is the X. So we know this is the 55, then this is also 55 because of alternate angle. So also we know the sum of two interior angle which is always equal to the exterior angle, okay. So I can write here in triangle 90 plus 50 which is equal to, sorry, 90 plus 55 which is equal to X. So I can write here 145 which is equal to X. So 145, it means option number C is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about the next question, which is based on adjacent and region, and the question adjacent is each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Yes, this one is true. If I talk about the region, and the region is in an isosceles triangle, two angles opposite the equal sides are equal. Yes, this one is also true, but region is not the correct explanation of adjacent. It means both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is simplify, and here we have to simplify. The simplification is, here we are given bracket minus 1 upon 27 raised to power minus 2 upon 3. So we can write here 1 upon minus 1 upon 27 to power 2 upon 3, and when I simplify it, I can write here minus 2 upon 27 ki power 2 upon 3. So I can write here 27 minus ki power 2, that is the whole power of 1 by 3. When I simplify it, I can write here 7 to 9 raised to power 1 by 3. It means we get that result, that is 9. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is which of the following statement is a true and false. So statement number 1, that is the expression 7p square q minus 5pq square plus 11 is classified as a binomial. No, this is classified as a trinomial. So this statement is false. Second, in an algebraic term minus yz cube, the numerical coefficient is minus 1. This one is true. Next, when AB is subtracted from 7AB, right, this one. So I can write here minus 3AB. So here we get the result is 3AB. No, this one is false. Next, the product of 5m cube and minus 2mn. Here we get result, that is minus 10 m ki power 4 n. So minus 10 m k power 4, this one is true. So FT. So here we have FT. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on simplify. Okay, so here we have all mixed fractions. So first we have to convert in simpler form. So I can write here 18 3 ja 54, 54 plus 1 55. So I can write here 55 upon 3. Multiply, here we take multiply. 11 2 ja 22 and 22 plus 8 30 upon 11. Bracket close. Here we take minus sign. 7 4 ja 28 and 28 plus 5 33. So I can write here 33 upon 7. Multiply. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 divided by, here I can write 3 upon 5 and minus plus minus 9 upon 10, and here minus plus 3 upon 5. So next step, here we can say 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30, 11 1 ja 11, 11 5 ja 55. Here 7 to 7 cancel out, 3 1 ja 3, 3 11 ja 33. So here I can write here 50 minus 11 upon, if we take LCM, then we get 10 as LCM. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 multiply by 3, that is 6, minus 9 plus 6. So here I can write minus 61 upon, when I simplify it, here we get 3 upon 10, right? Here we get 12 minus 9, that is 3 upon 10. So I can write here minus 61 multiply by 10 divided by 3. So here I can say minus 610 upon 3. So when I simplify it, I can write here minus 203 and 1 by 3. This is the correct answer. So check minus 203 and 1 by 3. It means option number C is the correct option. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is, a playground is in the shape of a square and the area of a square is 256 meters square, with each side, that is x plus 2 meter. One day Suraj along with his two friends Ajay and Aman went to play there with bicycle. Someone stole Suraj's bicycle, but Ajay and Aman helped him by contributing rupees 4a plus 60 and rupees 6a plus 10 respectively to buy a new bicycle, and the cost of bicycle was rupees 4200, and the question is find the value of x. So here we have side of a square, that is x plus 2. So here I can write here side of a square, here that is x plus 2, and we know area of a square, that is 256. So here I can write here 256 is equal to x plus 2 whole square. So here I can write 256 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. When 4 I transfer here, I can write here 252 is equal to x square plus 4x. We know 252 we can write 14 multiplied by 18, and here we can say when we take x, then we can say that x plus 4. So here we can say that the value of x, which is equal to 14. So check which option is correct. So option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and here we have to find what is the perimeter of a square. So we know perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiply side, and we know the side is x plus 2, and in last question we find the value of x, that is 14. So when we put the value of x is equal to 14, then we can say that the side, that is 16. So perimeter, that is 4 multiplied by 16. So perimeter is 64, unit is meter, so I can write here meter. So 64 meter. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on match the column, In column 1, here we have that is equivalent rational number of minus 16 upon 128. So here we have given minus 16 upon 128. When we simplify it, we can say that 8. Here we can say that 64. So 8 8 ja 64. So I can write here minus 1 upon 8. So check, P is connected to 2. So here I can write P is connected to 2. Next, Q, that is minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. We take LCM, that is 12. So minus 9 plus 10. Here we get answer, that is 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12, it means Q is connected to 3. So I can write here Q is connected to 3. Next, R, here we have. So here I can say 4 5 j 20 and 6 3 j 18. So 20 upon 18. Here plus bracket minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So I can write here 20 upon 18 minus 5 to 7 by 3. So when we take LCM, that is 18. So I can write here 20 minus 7 6 ja. Here 3 6 ja 18 and 6 multiplied by 7 6 ja 42. Then we can say that minus 22 upon 18, and we simplify it. I can write here minus 11 upon 9. So minus 11 upon 9, it means R is connected to 4. So here I can write R is connected to 4. And last, here we have S. It means 1 upon 3 is smaller than 1 upon 3 is smaller than 1 by 2. So S is connected to 1. It means the correct option is 2 3 4 1. So here we have 2 3 4 1. It means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on simplifying. So first we have to simplify it. So I can write here 3.25. So I can write here 325 upon 100 plus 3 by 4 minus 0.5. It means 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay. Divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. It means 3 by 4. So here we can say that this is a 20 and 6 5 is 30. It is 65. Again we can say that 5 4 is 20. Here we get 13. It means 13 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. When we simplify it, we get 1 upon 3. Okay. The LCM of here we get, that is 12. So here I can say that 13 3 ja 39 plus 3 3 ja 9 minus 4. So here we can say that 39 plus 5 upon 12. So I can write here 44 upon 12. It means 22 upon 6. It means 11 upon 3. Check which option is correct. So here 11 upon 3. It means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on sequence, and arrange the following steps in correct sequence to find the value of x if two angles form a linear pair, one angle is 70 degree. So what we do, first we define the definition of linear pair. So we know, first we take Q. After defining Q, then we take, since we know linear pair, then their sum is 180. So I can write in the form of this, then this. After this we take P. After we take R, then we subtract, we transfer 70 from here. Yeah, we subtract both sides. So then we take R, and last step we take, that we have to calculate. So then we take S. So QPRS. So QPRS. It means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, if triangle LM and N is an isosceles triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal, and this is L, M, N, such that angle M is equal to angle N. M is equal to angle N. And here the value of angle N is equal to 65 degree. Then what is the value of angle L? So let's assume this is the angle L is X. So I can write here X plus angle M plus angle N is equal to sum of interior angle, that is 180 degree, and the value of M and N, which is equal to 65. So X plus 65 plus 65 is equal to 180. So here I can write x plus 130 is equal to 180. So the value of x here we get, that is 180 minus 130. So I can write here the value of x is equal to 50 degree. So here 50, it means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, here we have assertion, that is the terms of the expression 3x square y minus 5xy plus 7x are 3x square y minus 5xy and 7x. Yes, this one is true. And reason is terms in an algebraic expression are separated by addition. Yes, this one is also true. And reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here we can say that both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. It means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, if the value of 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5, if x is equal to 2, then find the value of a. So here I can write 2 bracket 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 bracket 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 minus a equal to 5. Next, we know 2 raised to power 4. Yeah, 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. 8 to ja 16. Here we take 4 to ja 8 plus 2 minus a equal to 5. Then 16 minus 8, here we get 8. 8 plus 2, 10. It means 10 minus a equal to 5, and the value of a is equal to 10 minus 5. So here we get the value of a is equal to 5. So the value of a is equal to 5. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following statement are true and false? And the statement number 1, that is every integer is a rational number. Yes, this one is true. And every fraction is a rational number. Yes, I can say this one is true. Next, a rational number p upon q is positive if p and q are either positive or both negative. So this one is also true. A rational number p upon q is negative if one of p and q is positive and another is negative. Yes, this one is also true. And last, if there are two rational numbers with common denominator, then one with the larger numerator is larger than other. Yes, this one is also true. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 both all are true, true and true and true. So it means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on simplify, and the question is 3 upon 4 minus 0.5 bracket close multiply 2.4 plus 3 upon 5 bracket close plus bracket 5 upon 6 divided by 10 upon 3, and we have to simplify it. So we know 0.5 which is equal to 1 upon 2. So here I can write 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 multiply. Here I can write 2.4, it means 24 upon 10 plus 3 upon 5 plus bracket 5 upon 6, we convert in the form of multiply sign, and here I can write 3 upon 10. So now if we take LCM here, we take LCM, that is 4. So we know 4 1 ja 4, that is 3 minus 2 multiply sign. Here we take LCM, that is 10. So I can write here 24 plus 6 plus here we can say that 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So here I can write 1 upon 4. After simplifying it, we can say that 1 upon 4 multiply 30 upon 10 plus 1 upon 4. When we simplify it, we can say 0 to 0 cancel out, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. It means 4 upon 4. The answer is 1. So check where is 1 here. So it means option 1B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is Ria runs a small bakery. She uses 3 by 4 kg of flour to bake one batch of cupcake in one day. Here we have flour, that is 3 upon 4 kg. Okay, she prepared 5 batches. Okay, the cost of 1 kg flour is rupees 48. She also used 2.5 liter of milk, where each liter cost rupees 40. So the question is, how many kilogram of flour did Ria used in a day? So for 1 week he used 3 by 4 kg, and in a day how many bags he prepared? 5. So when I multiply 3 by 4 multiply by 5, so I can write here 15 upon 4, it means 3 and 3 by 4 kg. Okay, so 3 and 3 by 4 kg, it means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is, what was the total cost of flour and milk used in a day? So we know total flour, that is 3 by 4 multiply by 5 and multiply by 48. For 1 kg is 48, so I here multiply by 48 plus 2.5 liter milk and multiply by 44 1 liter milk. Okay, so here I can write 4 1 4, here we get 12, so I can write here 3 multiply 5 multiply by 12 plus here point remove, divide by 10, so 0 0 0 cancel out, so I can write here 25 multiply by 4. So here I can write 180 plus 100, so rupees we get, that is 280. So 280, it means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Here first we have vertically opposite angles. So when two straight lines intersect each other, then opposite angles are equal, are known as vertical opposite angle. It means P is connected to 1. Next, alternate interior angle. So equal and lies between parallel of opposite sides. Yes, this one is true. It means Q is connected to 2. Next, alternate exterior angle. Equal and lies outside parallel lines on opposite side. This is called alternate exterior angle. It means R is connected to 3. And last, S, which is linear pair form 180 degree as a straight line. Yes, this one is 4. So correct answer is 1 2 3 4. So here we have 1 2 3 4. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहां लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहां पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहां क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहां पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहां पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहां पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहां पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 26 October 2025. Hope you did very well. So here we go. So now question number 51. In this given number series, find the next term. So number series is 18, 29, 42, 59, 78, 101. After 101, find the next number. So first find the pattern of the given number series. So pattern of the series is 18 to 29. It means if adding 11 to 18, then we get 29. Similarly 29 to 14, 42, it means adding 13. 42 59, it means adding 17. 59 to 78, it means adding 19. 78 to 101, it means adding 23. So now check the pattern. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. This is the prime number sequence. So after 23, next prime number is 29. So if we added 29 to 101, then we get 130. So 130 is the next number of given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. In this given alphabet series, find the next term. So first find the pattern of the given series. So taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is C, first alphabet of second term is C, first alphabet of third term is C, fourth is also C, and now fifth, first alphabet of fifth term is C. It means first alphabet of missing term is C. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is A, second alphabet of second term is, second alphabet of third term is I, after I next is M, after M next is missing. Now find the pattern. So first find the place value of letters. So place value of A is 1, place value of A is 5, place value of I is 9, place value of M is 13. Now check the pattern. 1 plus 4 it means 5, 5 plus 4 it means 9, 9 plus 4 it means 13. Now similar for 13 plus 4 it means 17. So missing place value is 17. 17 it means Q, because place value of Q is 17 in English alphabet. So second letter of the missing term is Q. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is B, third alphabet of second term is J, third alphabet of third term is R, after R next is Z, and find the next letter. So first find the place value of letters. So place value of B is 2, place value of J is 10, place value of R is 18, place value of Z is 26. Now check the pattern. 2 to 10 it means plus 8, 10 to 18 it means again plus 8, 18 to 26 it means again plus 8. So now similar 26 plus 8, 26 plus 8 it means 34. So missing place value is 34. So 34 it means H, because place value of H is 34 after crossover the Z. So third alphabet of missing term is S. So CQH is the missing term of given series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Rocky starts from point A and drives 3 km towards east. He takes left turn and drives 4 km. He again takes a left turn and drives 3 km. He takes one more left turn and drives 2 km and stop at point B. How far and towards which direction should he drive in order to reach point A again? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now question is, Rocky start from point A. A is the starting point of Rocky. Now Rocky start from point A and drives 3 km towards east. He drives 3 km towards east and then take a left turn and drive for 4 km. Again he takes a left turn and drive for 3 km. Again he takes a left turn and drive for 3 km. He takes one more left turn and drive for 2 km. He takes one more left turn and drives for 2 km and stop at point B. So this is the point B. Now find the distance between A and B. So find the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is equals to, total is 4 minus 2. It means 2 km. So distance between A and B is 2 km. So it means if Rocky drives 2 km towards south, then he will reach the point A. So it means if Rocky drives 2 km south, then he will reach point A. So it means option A is the correct answer. 2 km towards south is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. In this question, choose the correct mirror image of from given alternative. PQ is a mirror. So in mirror image question, the word, the letter which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So T is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image, and A is away from the mirror, so it will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of T. So mirror image of T will look something like this, and then find the mirror image of N. This is the mirror image of M, and then find the mirror image of Q. This is the mirror image of Q. Now find the mirror image of D. So this is the mirror image of D, and then find the mirror image of 9. So this is the mirror image of 9. Now find the mirror image of 6. So this is the mirror image of 6, and then find the mirror image of P. So this is the mirror image of P, and finally find the mirror image of A. So this is the mirror image of A. So this is the correct mirror image of given combination. So here option C is the correct mirror image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. In this question, choose the correct water image from alternative. Now find the water image of given figure. So the part of an object which is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in the water image. So first find the water image of this part. So water image of this part looks something like this. Water image of this part looks something like this, and then find the water image of this part. So water image of this part look like this, and water image of this part, water image of this part this is the correct water image. So here option D is the correct water image of given figure. So option D shows the correct water image of given figure. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a class, the rank of Ramu is 9th from the top and 16th from the bottom. The total number of students in the class are. So in a class, rank of Ramu is 9th from the top, and rank of Ramu is 16th from the bottom. 16th from the bottom. Now find the total number of students in this class. So find the total number of students in this class is equals to. So formula is top position plus bottom position of the same person. So it means top position of Ramu plus bottom position of Ramu minus 1. So top position of Ramu is 9 plus bottom position of Ramu is 16 minus 1. 9 plus 16, it means 25, minus 1, it means 24. So there are 24 students in this class. So here option B is the correct answer. So in this question, B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. If A denotes addition, B denotes multiplication, C denotes subtraction, D denotes division, then what will be the value of following expression? So now find the value of following expression. Now expression is 4, 4, 1, D. D it means divided by 7. A it means addition 21. A means addition 21. After 21, B means multiply by 6, C minus bracket 189, D means divided by 7, bracket close, A means addition, again bracket 46, C it means minus 12, and then bracket close. So now using BODMAS rule in this expression, so first solve the brackets according to BODMAS. So 441 divided by 7 plus 21 multiplied by 6 minus. Now solve the brackets. 189 divided by 7. 189 divided by 7, it means 27, plus 46 minus 12, it means 34. Now divide the numbers according to BODMAS. So 441 divided by 7, it means 63, plus 21 multiplied by 6 minus 27 plus 34. Now multiply the numbers. So 63 plus 21 multiplied by 6. 21 multiplied by 6, it means 126 minus 27 plus 34. So now add the numbers. So add the numbers. 63 plus 126 plus 34, it means 160 minus 27. 63 plus 160, it means 223 minus 27. 223 minus 27, it means 196. So value of given expression is 196. It means option C. Option C will be the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Which two digits should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? So in this question, options are taking one by one and then check which option will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So now according to option A, interchange the 2 and 3. So now equation is 3, 2. It means 3 means 2 and 2 means 3 divided by 6 plus 26. It means 2 means 3 and then 6 minus 13. It means 1 and 3 means 2. Multiply by 6 is equals to 54. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. 23 divided by 6 plus 36 minus 12 into 6 is equals to 54. 23 divided by 6 is not a natural number, is a decimal number. So 23 divided by 6, it means 3.8 and 3 something plus 36. Now multiply the numbers. Minus 12 into 6, it means 72 is equals to 54. Now plus 36 plus 70 minus 72, it means minus 36. 3.83 plus minus, because plus 36 minus 72, it means minus 36 is equals to 54. So value of this part is not equals to 54. So it means option A is a incorrect option. So now taking option B. So now according to option B, interchange the 6 and 2. So equation is 3, 2 means 6 divided by 6 means 2 plus 2 means 6. 6 means 2 minus 1, 3 into 6 means 2 is equals to 54. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, 36 divided by 2, it means 18 plus 62 minus 13 into 2 is equals to 54. Now multiply the numbers. 18 plus 62 minus 13 into 2, it means 26 is equals to 54. Now add the numbers. So 18 plus 62, it means 80 minus 26 is equals to 54. 80 minus 26, it means 54 is equals to 54. Yes, 54 always equals to 54 because here LHS is equals to RHS. So it means option B is a correct answer of this question. So option B is the correct one. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. In a row of student, Anil is 7th from left while Sunil is 18th from right. Both of them interchange their positions such that Anil becomes 21st from left. What will be the total number of students in the class? In a class and in a row, this is the left end of the row and this is the right end of the row. Now Anil is 7th from left. So now position of Anil is 7th from the left end and position of Sunil is 18th from the right end. If they interchange their position, then this one will become Sunil and this one become for Anil. Now position of Sunil from the left is 7 and position of Anil from the right is equals to 18. Now question is, Anil becomes 21st from left. Position of Anil from the left is 21st. Now find the total number of students in this class in this row. Now find the total number of students in this row. So total number of students is equals to left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Anil is 21st plus right position of Anil is 18 minus 1. So 21 plus 18, it means 39 minus 1. 39 minus 1, it means 38. So there are 38 students in this class. So there are total 38 students in this class. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Find the completely unfolded figure of Z. So now find the unfold figure. So unfold the figure in the same sequence which it was folded and find the mirror image in each unfold. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction. So first Z will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold the Z, then we got Y. So unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this. And mirror image of this part will look something like this. And this is the folded part. Now unfold this sheet. So this sheet will be unfolded in this direction because this sheet has been folded in this direction. So now unfold this sheet, then we get a image something like this. So and mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the correct unfolded figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question because option C shows the correct unfolded figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. You can join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.